Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Beginner Guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Microsoft Dynamics 365 account. Navigate to the Customer Insights application from the App Launcher. Once you're in the Customer Insights dashboard, locate the Data section. Click on Data Sources to start adding your relevant data. Select Add a Data Source from the available options. Choose the type of data source you want to connect, such as a database or an API. Follow the prompts to enter the required information for your selected data source. Once you've configured the connection, click Test Connection to ensure it's set up correctly. After a successful connection test, click Create to finalize the data source setup. Next, head back to the main dashboard and select Profiles from the left menu. Click on Create Profile to start defining your customer profiles. Choose a suitable naming convention for your profile to maintain clarity. In the Profile Setup screen, select the data sources you want to include in this profile. Define the attributes you want to capture for each profile, such as customer name or contact information. You can also set up relationships between different profiles for a richer dataset. Once you've reviewed your selections, click Create to build the profile. Now, navigate to the Analytics section on the left menu. Click on Create New Analytics to generate insights based on your customer profiles. Configure the metrics you want to analyze, such as engagement or acquisition rate. Select the visualization options that best display your data, like charts or graphs. Once you've tailored your analytics, click Save to preserve your work. After saving, return to the dashboard to explore your newly created insights. To enhance your understanding, consider setting up alerts for significant changes in your data. Navigate to the Settings section to configure these alert preferences. Choose the conditions under which you want to receive notifications, such as data thresholds. Finally, review all your settings and configurations to ensure everything aligns with your business objectives. Once satisfied, you are ready to start leveraging insights to drive your customer strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.